Hey, we are Rhino Tool House, proudly showing at Assembly Show South 2023 in Nashville. Come on in, we'll show you around.
Yeah, I can show you around. We'll bounce around and I'll show you a few things. This is one of our wearable ergonomic devices called the Iron Hand. It's a power assist glove for multiple needs inside of your manufacturing facility. Behind me is kind of the basis of our design and build department. This is C-Tech. It has the tube and joint assemblies. We can design these for you. We'll quote them in any shape, way, shape, or form. And that goes up into aluminum extrusion and square tube. So what we've done here in the center of our booth is what I call our innovation center, but we've developed basically a mini assembly line to show you a lot of the different products that we offer. We really pride ourselves at Rhino Tool House on being a one-stop shop and one source for most of what you're doing in the plant, and that helps from a lot of different angles. But in this first station, it's our assembly cell, and we're using our Clico tools and a wireless positioning system. It's called Nexonar to assemble this, and what it's going to do is walk you through a process and allow for full control of the tool and a sequence so you can assemble this product correctly and move along the line. After we're done here, we're prompted to move on to our lathe assembly line that's going to move the product down however far you need and interact with our Doosan robot. We have a custom indefector tool with a 7-axis slide mount on our Vention system that's going to pick up this part and move it on to the next side of our assembly line. So after the robot picks the part and places it on this conveyance, we move the part into our disassembly station, which completes our loop for our little assembly cell. And on that station we have both a torque tool connected with our light guide system, which is a visual work instruction. You can see there's customers here right now with the demonstration, but what that's going to do is walk you through step by step dynamically and actually check your work as you go so that we know what has happened in that assembly or disassembly process. So here we have more examples from our design and build department, integrating both Havere and C-Tech, that are companies underneath the Rhino Tool House umbrella. This is a custom-made pump-up device or pump-up cart for moving your parts up and down and rolling them where they need to be on your assembly line. Behind me is a custom turntable that is actually on top of another lift table. And then over my right shoulder is an example of the mini lift assist devices that we can do. Over here we have several examples of the torque products that we offer. That's from more simple tools all the way up to full DC line, and that's from several different brands. We also offer custom tool covers that we can 3D print and cover any part of the tool or product that you have.
Hello, my name is Alan Schauer. I'm one of the material handling application specialists for Rhino Tool House. And while we offer material handling solutions for all categories, today we're demonstrating a unit from Aimco for lifting and placing metal plates. So this has a 2-button release for safety so that your operators don't accidentally drop their pieces, and a single point for picking it up. And then using an articulating arm gives us the best coverage within a particular area.
Well, we're sorry you couldn't come to the show, but we are awfully glad we could bring the show to you. Rhino Tool House wants to help you increase your productivity, help you make more quality product, and help you get a safer, more pleasant work environment. Can we help you? We'd love to. We have a national footprint and local support. Thank you.